Dear student, I am Professor Ramasamy Kandasamy, working as a full professor at University Tunku in Malaysia for the past 15 years in the Department of Applied Mathematics. My research field, computational fluid dynamics, applied mathematics. I have published more than 250 articles in different fields: nanofluid, nanotechnology, nanoparticles, and heat and mass transfer, and so on, and the numerical methods and advanced computational fluid dynamics. So anyway, I have 37 years experience in applied mathematics. Most probably all the topics have given lecture to the students. Now I am going to teach online by Laplace transform. Here, the first one, the important topic in the Laplace transform is existence theorem, transform properties, transform of elementary functions, inverse transform, convolution theorem, transform of periodic functions, solution of initial value problems, application of Laplace transform in economics. So these are the topics very important to engineering field. Not only engineering field, most of the research people can utilize the transform. Suppose the application is very difficult, then we have to use the Laplace transform to find exact solutions. This one gives exact solution. Laplace transform gives exact solutions. And further, the Laplace transform means is a transform which transform the real valued functions into complex valued functions. Now, I am going to define the Laplace transform. First, see here now. First, I have to define the Laplace transform. Let f of t be a piecewise continuous functions defined in the interval 0 to infinity, such that Laplace transform of f of t equal to 0 to infinity e power minus st f of t into dt. Is very easy definitions. Let us see here now. Laplace transform of f of t equal to integral over 0 to infinity e power minus st f of t. Here f of t, see f of t into dt. This one is a definition of Laplace transform, where s is a parameter. It's a complex. S is a complex parameter. Now I am going to teach a small example, very simple example. I have to do it now. Example 1, to find Laplace transform of 1. By the definition, this is nothing but the definition of Laplace transform. So this one, this is definition of Laplace transform. This is Laplace transform. Now, we hear Laplace transform of f of t equal to 0 to infinity e power minus st f of t into dt. Just to put f of t equal to 1 in 1. 1 is nothing but this one. This one is the definition. You put f of t equal to 1. Laplace transform of 1 equal to e power minus st 1 into dt. See here now, here is also f of t, this one. So just to replace both left hand and right hand side, f of t by 1, we getting this one. So normally this one is depends on, this one depends on integrations. 0 to infinity e power minus st into dt. Because replace 1 here, just take integrations, you know that t is an integral variable. So e power minus st over minus s over the limit 0 to infinity. We know that e power negative infinity equal to 0, and then e power minus st over the limit 0 to infinity. So negative 1 over s into e power negative infinity minus e power 0. E power negative infinity is already 0. So negative 1 over s, 0 minus 1, it is equal to 1 by s. Hence, the Laplace transform of 1 equal to 1 over s. This one very simple example. Next we go to next one. Here, see here, next one, Laplace transform of f of t equal to 0 to infinity e power minus st f of t into dt equal to f of s. This one you have to remember that. This thing is very important one, because see here now, this one, normally most of the people they are using like this. Laplace transform of f of t equal to this one, 0 to infinity e power minus st f of t into dt. So therefore, the real valued functions f of t is transformed into the complex functions. Sometimes it is denoted by Laplace transform of f of t equal to f of s. Then 0 to infinity e power minus st f of t into dt, you know very well about it. And next you come to the problem, evaluate Laplace transform of e power negative at. E power negative at. Laplace transform of e power negative at. We know that by the definition, very first you write the definition. This I think so may be easy to evaluate. Laplace transform of f of t equal to e power minus st f of t into dt here, and then you write here Laplace, this one is the definition. Just to replace f of t by e minus at, you are getting Laplace transform of e power negative at equal to 0 to infinity e power minus st e power minus at into dt here now. This one. So for using this example, e power at into e power bt equal to e power a plus b into t. This one, just the rule. So now we have to write here, this one e power minus st into e power minus at into dt equal to 0 to infinity e power minus of s plus a into t into dt here now. take integration. Since this one is a constant, this one s plus a is a constant. So taking integrations, we get like this. Take integration e power minus st, e power minus of s plus a into t over minus s plus a over the limit 0 to infinity. You understand? So the integration of this one, the integration of this one, the integration of this part, this is nothing but the integration of this part is e power minus of s plus a into t divided by negative s plus a 0 to infinity. So this one is a constant, s plus a is a constant now. Then after that you take negative s plus a outside. So 1 over negative of s plus a into e power minus s plus a into t 0 to infinity. 0 to infinity here now. You understand now? Then, okay. So now you write, after this, see here now. So now we are getting like this. And then, what is the e power? You put upper limit, you getting e power negative infinity. Lower limit, you get e power negative 0. So this one is 0, already we know. Then this one equal to 1. Because e power negative 0, e power 0 always 1. So negative of 1 over s plus a into negative 1 equal to 1 over s plus a. Therefore, we know that Laplace transform of e power negative at equal to 1 over s plus a. Tutorial here now. Laplace transform of e power at equal to 1 over s minus a. So this one, Laplace transform of e power negative at equal to 1 over s plus a. Laplace transform of e power at equal to 1 over s minus a. This one I think so maybe very easy things. Next I am going to the next work. See here now, this also you write now here. This one and next write. See here, next problem. Evaluate Laplace transform of t power n equal to n factorial divided by s power n plus 1. So this one is, I think so maybe is very important problem here now. So now we have to show that Laplace transform of t power n equal to n factorial over s power n plus 1. Very first you know what is the Laplace transform of 1? 1 is nothing but 1 over s. 1 is nothing but 1 over s. Next you put t equal to 1. We are getting Laplace transform of t power 1 equal to Laplace transform of t. It is just to replace f of t by t in the formula. We get 0 to infinity e power minus st t into dt here. Then take integrations. So now you have to rearrange here 0 to infinity into t into e power minus st into dt. So now, so this one can be solved by using integration by parts. It means that actually integration by parts, the formula is this one. This is nothing but integration by parts formula. This one is the formula here. So now you write this one, you take it as u. T is u e power minus st. So this one here, the total value, this value is dv here now. This value is dv. This value is dv. This t is take it as u. So now we get, this is the integration by parts formula. 0 to infinity u into dv equal to u into v over the limit 0 to infinity negative 0 to infinity v into du. This is the formula here. So now you understand? Yes, okay. So now we have to compare. This can be written like this. Integration by parts, actually we need, what is the right hand side value here now? U into V over 0 to infinity minus V into du. So now we have to find du and then V. These things we have to find. Now already we know that U is taken as T. So U equal to T, du equal to dt, and then dv equal to the remaining things is e power minus st into dt. So just to take integrations, v equal to e power minus st over minus s. V equal to, so this one, you see here now, v here now, v equal to, here you write, just I am writing here now, just explain here, you know what the v equal to, you write here dv equal to this much, dv equal to e power minus st, e power minus st into dt here now, e power minus st into dt, right? So now take integration on both sides. Take integration on both sides. What the value you are getting? This will become v equal to, here internal variable is t. So you write e power minus st, e power minus st over minus s. So this is the formula for v. So from dv we have to find the value for v. So that's why we get. So the v is nothing but this much you are getting here now. The formula is this. You understand now? Then after this you find everything. U equal to t, du equal to dt, dv equal to e power minus st into dt. From this we find the value for v. Then after that, this one is nothing but the right hand side value, this one, by integration parts. So you replace u into v over 0 to infinity. This one is u equal to t, v equal to e power minus st over minus s, 0 to infinity, negative. What's the v value? So this one you write, and then du is nothing but dt. So now we get e power negative infinity is 0, e power 0 is also 0, because put in t equal to infinity, here infinity, here e power negative infinity becomes 0, here 0, then 0 minus 0, then here negative of minus s here, take this minus s outside, we get 1 over s, 0 to infinity e power minus st into dt. This one you are getting here now. So now you understand? It's okay. Then you go to next page. Go to next page, you go here now. This one you write here. Go to next page here. See here now. Laplace transform of t equal to 1 over s into 0 to infinity e power minus st into dt. Again take integration on this portion now. This one again you take integration here, then you get 1 over s. This one is e power minus st over minus s, 0 to infinity. You minus this minus s come outside, we get 1 over minus s squared, e power minus st over the limit 0 to infinity. So 0 to infinity already you know that negative 1. So minus 1 over s squared into minus 1. So you are getting 1 over s squared. So finally you are getting Laplace transform of t equal to 1 factorial over s power 1 plus 1. 1 factorial divided by s squared. You put equation number 2. Then you put n equal to 2. Already n equal to 1 you are getting this one. 1 factorial divided by s squared. And then put n equal to 2, we are getting Laplace transform of t squared equal to 0 to infinity e power minus st into t squared into dt here. This also can write like this. Again, we have to apply integration by parts. See here now. Take it, t squared is u and then du equal to 2t into dt here. Then the remaining things is nothing but dv equal to e power minus st into dt. Then take integrations, already you know that. Then we get e power minus st over minus s. Actually, this one, Laplace transform t squared equal to, using the integration by parts, I think so, maybe I made mistake here. I understand. So this one, I little bit here. This one is very simple one. U equal to, this one, u into dv here. Okay. U into dv. This one, u. This one is dv. So 0 to infinity u into dv equal to, this one is the integration by parts. This portion is nothing but integration by parts equal to uv into 0 to infinity minus 0 to infinity into v into du. So now we get everything, we got it. So it is u equal to this one plus etc. Just to replace all the value here, u equal to t squared, and then v is nothing but e power minus s here. You put e power minus st over minus s, 0 to infinity minus 0 to infinity. So this one into what is the du value? Du value is nothing but 2t into dt. I am writing here. So just to substitute all the values in the formula. We are getting like this. Then after this, see here now, this one. After this, this become 0 to 0. This will become, you know, the value is this one 0 minus 0. Upper limit, lower limit, that will become 0. Then here 2 and minus s is a constant. Take outside, plus 2 over s. 0 to infinity t into e power minus st into dt. You understand? This value is nothing but this value. See here now. This value only we get. This value is nothing but 1 over s squared. Just we know. This one is, the formula is like this. Then 2 by s into 1 over s squared. We get 2 divided by s power 3. So Laplace transform of t squared equal to 2 factorial. 2 is, can write 2 factorial over s to the power of 2 plus 1. That is 3 can be expressed 2 plus 1. So the formula is Laplace transform of t squared equal to, you writing, getting like this. This is the formula here now. You understand? Any doubt? You want one more time? It's okay. Then this one clear now. Then next we go to the next page here. So now we go to here. Next one. Already we know that Laplace transform of t equal to 1 factorial over s squared, t squared equal to 2 factorial divided by s power 3. Now we put n equal to 3 in the same way, or similarly we get Laplace transform of t power 3 equal to 3 factorial over s power 3 plus 1. And then continue the process again. You put n equal to 4. Laplace transform of t power 4 equal to 4 factorial over s power 4 plus 1. It is nothing but s power 5. Continue the process. Finally, you are getting Laplace transform of t power n equal to n factorial over s power n plus 1. So hence the result. You understand? This one. For small example, I put the small example here. You see here now. You come to here now, Laplace transform of, you write t power 7. You put t power 7. What the value of Laplace transform t power 7? It is equal to, already we know the formula here, Laplace transform of t power n equal to, so this one, this is the general formula here. Laplace transform of t power n equal to n factorial over s power n plus 1. So what's here now? Power is 7. So you write in the numerator 1 7 factorial, then over s power 7 plus 1, 7 plus 1. You understand? 7 plus 1. It is nothing but 7 factorial over s power 8. This is nothing but the solution. You understand? It's okay. And next we have to see here now. You understand now? Next we have to do this one. See here now. So now we get like this. So now we have to evaluate Laplace transform of sin 80. Another formula is Laplace transform of sin 80. So here, before doing this problem, first we have to find the value. We know that e power I theta by the trigonometric ratio, e power I theta equal to cos theta plus I sin theta. E power negative I theta equal to cos theta minus I into sin theta. Then adding both, this one. Adding now, this one take it as 1, this one is 1, and then this one is 2. For example, this one is equation number 2. Adding 1 plus 2, we are getting sin theta cancel, you are getting 2 cos theta equal to e power I theta plus e power minus I theta on the left hand side, adding. So cos theta equal to, you write e power I theta plus e power minus I theta over 2. Next write subtract, that is this one is 1 plus 2, this one is 1 plus 2, you are getting 1 plus 2, you get equation number 1 plus 2, you getting cos theta equal to this much, and then subtract 1 minus 2, equation number 2, 1 minus 2. What is the value you are getting here now? 1 minus 2, you are getting 2i into sin theta equal to e power I theta minus e power minus I theta. Then sin theta equal to e power I theta minus e power minus I theta divided by 2i. So you understand now? Next, therefore, so now we have to find the value for sin 80 here. Now we have to find sin 80. So replace I theta by I into 80. So sin 80 equal to e power I 80 minus e power minus I 80 divided by 2i. So this is sin 80 equal to this much. Sin theta equal to this is the formula. Sin 80 equal to, just to replace theta by 80 here, then sin 80 equal to this much you are getting. Next you come to our problem. What is the Laplace transform sin 80? So just you write the formula here. Then 2i take outside. Laplace transform of e power I80 minus e power minus I80. This one take outside. Then what the linear property? We have to use in the linear property. Laplace transform of a1 into f of t plus b1 into g of t equal to a1 into Laplace transform of f of t plus b1 into Laplace transform of g of t. Just we have to replace the value here. Apply the linear property. So Laplace transform, this can be expressed as Laplace transform of e power I80 minus Laplace transform of e power minus I80. Then you know the formula here now. After this, you know everything. Then go to the next page here. Next page, you go to the next page. Go to next page, right here. Just you have to explain, sorry for this one. Okay, then see here now, Laplace transform of sin 80 equal to 1 over 2i e power I80 minus Laplace transform of e power minus I80. Then this is the formula here. Laplace transform of e power minus 80 equal to 1 over s plus a. So now you write what the value for here now. This one based on the formula 1 over s minus ia. E power minus iat is 1 over s plus ia based on the transform. So now we get take common denominator in common terms, the denominator. So just write s minus ia into s plus ia equal to the numerator. You are getting these terms, go to here, this one also go to here now. So s plus ia minus s minus ia over s minus ia into s plus ia. So here is also, you know, this formula is very formula here now. The formula is what the value for here now. A very simple formula here. What the a plus b into a plus b into a minus b, a plus b into a minus b. You write a plus b into a minus b, a plus b into a minus b equal to, right? This one I think so maybe you know very well about it. This one you write a square minus b square, a square minus b square. One more formula is I squared equal to -1. I squared equal to -1. These are the formula, you know very well about it. Then after this, so you write 1 over, so this one common, what is here now? S minus IA into S plus IA. So this one can write using this, apply the same formula here. A squared minus b squared. So a squared minus ia the whole squared. I squared equal to -1. I squared is already told that I squared is -1. I squared is, see here now, I squared equal to -1. I squared equal to -1. So here, so -1. So right here now, a squared minus of minus a square. So minus positive, because this I squared, a squared, this I squared become -1, negative a squared. So a squared minus of minus a square. You get Laplace transform of sin at equal to a by a square plus a square. You understand now? It's okay. So now clear about it, this one, this formula you write now. Then you write here. Next one, next we go to the another one. Yeah. Next we have to evaluate Laplace transform of cos at equal to s over s square plus a square. Proof. Laplace transform of cos at equal to Laplace transform of what's cos at? Already we know that e power iat plus e power minus iat divided by 2. And then you take Laplace transform 1 over 2 outside, Laplace transform this one, apply the linear property, Laplace transform of e power iat plus Laplace transform of e power minus iat. This. Then 1 over 2 into, what the e power iat? E power iat is s 1 over s minus ia. Laplace transform of e power minus iat equal to 1 over s plus a. So cos Laplace transform cos at equal to, we come to this level. Then after that, we have to go to the next one. So this one, next one you have, so Laplace transform cos at equal to 1 over 2 into, so this one, take common denominator. And then we get a squared minus ia squared. In the numerator, you have to replace everything. Cancel, you are getting 2s. 1 over 2. 2 cancel, you are getting a squared minus -1 into a squared. We know that I squared equal to -1 multiplication. So therefore, cos Laplace transform of cos at equal to s over s squared plus a squared. Now we have to apply here. Using the formula here, you see here now, the formula is the formula you write. So now you write the formula. like this. So Laplace transform sin at equal to a by a square plus a square. Laplace transform cos at equal to s over a square plus a square here now. So next to write Laplace transform sin hat. Sin hat equal to, I think so maybe this is the formula here. Cos hat equal to e power at plus e power minus at divided by 2. Sin hat equal to e power at minus e power minus at divided by 2. So just to replace sin hat equal to Laplace transform of e power at minus e power minus at divided by 2. You take the Laplace transform, applying the linear property, we are getting like this. E power at is 1 over s minus a. Laplace transform of e power minus at equal to 1 over s plus a. Then take common denominator here, and then you go to the next problem. Next one we go here. So this one, next one. Yeah, see here now. Next one is just an extension here now. See here now. Laplace transform of hat equal to, just to take the common denominator, s square minus a square. In here s plus a minus s minus a. S cancel. You are getting 2 cancel. 2 divided by s square minus a square. Sin hat equal to this one. Then next to write Laplace transform cos hat. Laplace transform of cos hat equal to, so this one. This is the formula you got to apply here. And then take 1 over 2 outside. Apply the linear property. You are getting 1 over 2 into 1 over s minus a plus 1 over s plus 2. Then the denominator, common denominator you take. a cancel, you are getting 2s. Here also 2, s square minus a square, 2 cancel, you are getting Laplace transform of hat equal to s by s square minus a square. This one you know. Then I do some little example here now. See here now. Very simple things. Simple example I do it here now. So here, what the Laplace transform of sin t. Laplace transform of sin t. What the Laplace transform of sin t? Laplace transform of sin t equal to, using the formula, what is the Laplace transform of at? A divided by a square plus a square. Here a by 1. Here what is the value for a? A equal to 1. So using the formula here a equal to 1, we are getting here now. Laplace transform of sin t equal to a is 1. We get 1 over a squared plus 1 squared. A squared plus 1 squared. 1 squared is nothing but 1. Sin 80 equal to this one. Similarly for cos 80 is also, yes, don't change that one. It depends on the solutions, depends on here a value. So similarly for the Laplace transform of cos 80, what is the cos 80 here now? Laplace transform of cos 80 equal to Laplace transform of cos 80 is also, simply say that this one. Here also, what is the value for a? A is also 1. Here also 1, because you compare cos 80 equal to s over a square plus a square. So you put a equal to 1, we are getting s by a square plus a by 1, a square plus 1 square. A square plus 1 square is nothing but 1. Similarly for sin hat and cos hat. You understand? Thank you very much for this one. Next one, I will give some example. I will give to you. I will give some exercise. You try yourself. Maybe here now. See the next one, the last one. Some exercise I will give to you. See here now, based on this formula, you know that before using this, we getting this one. Laplace transform a into f of t equal to a is a coefficient now. Take outside a into Laplace transform of f of t. then Laplace transform of a1 into f of t plus b1 into g of t equal to a1 into Laplace transform of f of t plus b into Laplace transform of g of t. So you try to find all the problems here now. Just you know the formula, everything, then the replace these values, finally you get the solutions. Try yourself. Best of luck. Thank you very much for your kind cooperation. Thank you. Thank you very much. Here.